I'm here at booth 2075 giving a demonstration of the myVRM software. myVRM is a fully integrated product that allows for ubiquitous alignment of all video and regular ends of software. Today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of using the Outlook product. You're able to pick the people just like you would do normally. You're able to pick the subject matter, and then you're able to set the time and date. myVRM allows for simple ends to follow exactly the way Outlook goes. Once you pick the conference button, you're able now to have the rooms and all the people on one single screen. And once you open up the rooms, you're able to see what the rooms actually look like by clicking on them. And if I needed to see the actual room, I could expand the picture. I can have the ability for the security, the badges. I can also have the ability for the maps to actually come out and give the customer the ability to know where to go. Not only do we have the Google, Yahoo, etc. map, but we could have campus maps included in the overall information. Once the rooms are selected and we pick the multiple rooms, we're able to also see the future of those rooms and where they sit and see whether or not they're busy or free. And these rooms are only shown if I have the authority to see them. The entire system is a hierarchy that allows customers to deem who should see what and whether or not approvals are needed before anything could be booked. When I click on OK and I click on OK again, the rooms and the people are all on the same calendar. Our system does not allow rooms to be double booked, but it does allow people. So right now, if Shannon goes ahead and clicks on the appointment and then types in a notice, this will not go through because we saw that there was a demo already booked. That can also be set on the back end of the system in the sense that if you don't want to see a booked room, it won't go. Now when she submits it, this system will not go and it'll show that there is a conflict. That conflict allows the users to go back to the room and see that over here there was a conflict, so we would need to move the meeting time a half hour later. And now, or half hour earlier, and we're able to get rid of the conflict. Once we now submit that same appointment, we can easily be able to do that. The system now says your meeting has been successfully scheduled, and all the emails that are supposed to go out, unless they're stopped because there needs an approval first, are done. The single best thing about the product is the engine, the back-end engine. The back-end engine allows each of the people to work in the environment that they are most suitable in working in. So if you're a bridge administrator, you can actually see which calls are up and whether or not there's an issue. If you are the sort of person who needs to be able to get a list of all the pending conferences or all the conferences that need approval, you only need to deal with that aspect of the screen. And you may never need to go into anything else. The software is completely expandable, and people can approve or deny conferences with reasons going out to the various people so that they may take the necessary steps to continue in their job. One throat to choke is the concept behind the software. Our software allows you also for the most complete reporting capabilities. It allows for you to also bring in surveys. It allows for you to do utilization reporting. And we even have other features that we'd love to spend more time with you. Thank you so much. Oh, one last thing. We do have full mobility. So you can have an iPhone, iPad, or Droid. And the iPad now is being used as panels outside the room. And people can be able to look at the calendars, see what's going on in the room, and do the various ends, all from simple devices. Our job is to make meetings simpler. Thank you.